If you want to start email marketing and grow your business, Klaviyo is one of the most powerful tools you can use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up Klaviyo for beginners step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your account ready to start collecting emails and sending campaigns. First, go to the Klaviyo website and sign up for an account. Enter your email, create a password, and verify your account to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Next, set up your basic account details. Go to Settings and add your business information, including your company name, email, and sender details. This ensures your emails look professional and trustworthy. Now, create your first email list. Go to the Lists and Segments section and click on Create List. Give your list a name and save it. This is where your subscribers will be stored. After that, set up a sign-up form to collect emails. Go to the Sign-up Forms section and create a form like a pop-up or embedded form. Customize the design and message, then publish it on your website. Next, connect Klaviyo to your platform if you have one, such as Shopify or another e-commerce store. Go to Integrations, choose your platform, and follow the steps to connect it. This allows Klaviyo to track customer activity and sync data. Now, create your first email campaign. Go to the Campaigns section and click on Create Campaign. Choose your list, design your email, write a subject line, and schedule or send it. You should also set up basic flows like a welcome email. Go to Flows, select a template, and customize it to automatically send emails to new subscribers. Before sending emails, always preview and test them to make sure everything looks good on different devices. In this tutorial, we learned how to set up Klaviyo for beginners by creating an account, setting up lists, adding forms, connecting integrations, and sending campaigns. This gives you a strong foundation to start email marketing. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.